Hi, I'm Kumar. In this unit, I would like to discuss how to automate the picker wheel on the iOS native apps. Well, before getting into the details and scripting, first let us understand how the picker wheel looks like on the iOS native apps and what kind of actions we can perform on them. If you look at the UI catalog app, we have something called date picker. So this is called a picker wheel controls, and if you open the date picker, you will see a similar kind of UI element what you have learned in the picker view. So this is a picker wheel, and the one which we discussed in the other unit is the picker view. So both are different. They look similar in terms of the UI, but technically there is a difference between these two elements. Their classes are different. Right. So now this is a date picker wheel. It's a kind of picker wheel where you can select some value here, where you can set some date value here, and you will see the corresponding output on the screen. Now it is today 12:46 p.m. Now I just want to change it to AM, and I just want to change something to 28, or let me change it to something to 46, and then I just change the date as like 12, and this is something like Tuesday February 16th or Monday February 8th. So now if you see the output, it is like February 8th 2016 12:46 p.m. So this is how you can see in your iOS native app, where you can set some date. Even if you look at the clock or the alarm clock app, it is a native app. So if you look at that clock app, so this is how you will select the dates or select the times to set the alarm or to set some reminders. Alright, so now how to automate this? So now we know that we need to select some date, select some time, and select some seconds. Accordingly, you will see the output is keep on changing. So now how to automate such kind of UI elements on the iOS native apps? So let us look into the scripting part. So here is my code, which is a predefined code where I have the desired capabilities object created and define the real device details and the APM details. And then I'm starting the APM server. And if you look at the line number 26, first I'm clicking on the date picker on the UI catalog main view. So this is where I'm clicking on the line number 26, and then first I'm trying to capture the textual value. So first I'm trying to capture the current value which is there on the screen, that is February 1 2016 12:49 p.m. So whatever the default value is displayed, so that value I'm capturing, and the method you need to use is .text. So this value I'm printing in the console, and after that I'm selecting the different values for the date and the time. It's like I'm changing the PM to AM, or I'm changing the seconds, I'm changing the minutes, and I'm selecting some other value for the day and the month. So once these values are selected, then I'm again printing the text, whatever the new textual value which is displaying on the screen. So that value I'm capturing and printing on the console. Now how we are identifying this UI element is, if you see here, the class name is UIA picker wheel. So the one which you are discussing is a picker wheel, and the class name is a picker wheel. So how we are getting this XPath means, again, with the help of the APM inspector, we can inspect the UI elements on the iOS native apps. So you need to open the APM inspector and start inspecting this picker wheel element for each and every section. Then you will get this kind of XPaths like UI picker wheel of 4, 3, 2, 1. Now there are 4 picker wheels on the screen. So this is one picker wheel, this is the second picker wheel, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Alright, so now let us execute the script. And before executing, I just want to change some values here. I just want to select the future date. It is something like 55 seconds and something like 12 hours. And this, let me change to Saturday, February 6th. Okay. So before that, I need to make sure the APM server is started. Yeah, the APM server is already started. So let me stop the server and let me restart the APM server. Alright, so now let us execute the script and look at the device and look at the APM server logs. So now it should open the UI catalog app. It should click on the date picker option, and then you should see the date is selecting and getting the output. So now the default value, which is February 1 2016, so this value will be printed into the console, and then we are changing the date to something like Saturday and some minute and some seconds. You see it is changed to Saturday, February 6th. The date value is changed, and now it is February 6, 2016, so and so minute and so and so time. So both of these two values we are capturing and we are printing in the console, and the script execution is also completed. So let us look into the console. Alright, so now you see here, first it is February 1st, 2016, and then it is February 6th, 2016. Okay, and the time is like 12, and we have selected the 55 seconds, but the seconds is keep on changing, so it is displaying the one which is displayed at that point of time. Okay, but this is how you can automate the picker wheels on the iOS native apps. With the help of the send case method, you can select the value, and with the help of the text we can capture the values which are displaying on the screen. So that's all for this unit. Happy scripting. Thank you.